Hello and welcome to Life and Pig Row again, and today we're looking at how to prune gooseberries. And gooseberries and other soft fruit kind of freak people out, and especially gooseberries, but we're going to look at just gooseberries today, and later on we're going to look at black currants and red currants and white currants and how to prune them, and also how to prune blueberries, which will be in another film in the next few weeks. So here is our gooseberry bush, and as you can see, just here in the middle, it's a bit congested, and it's a good time of year to prune your gooseberry bushes, and you're looking for an open ball, or an open goblet as they call it. So really, all these in here need to come out, so that one there, all them come out like so. Don't forget, wear your gloves while doing this, because gooseberries, even when young, do have thorns. And what you want to do then is, I don't know if you can see here, this one's crossing. It's crossing onto another branch, this one here. It's touching that branch, so we need to cut that back. And I'm going to cut that back to there because I'll still get fruit off there. So I've cut it back to one bud. And that's what you really want to do. You want to make sure that the whole centre's open. No branches are moving inwards. And if they are, again, go back, one bud, prune, and off it comes like that. Again, one bud, again, prune, off it comes like that. And straight away you can see the centre's opening up. And the reason we do this is to encourage airflow, to stop any kind of diseases getting in. Now, we have the outside of our gooseberry bushes, and what we want to do is kind of reduce that to make a shape. Now you'll see here, in the winter weather, this is broken, and there's no point leaving it on, so off it comes, because if I leave it on, it's going to end up with disease in it, and we're going to have problems. What will happen is more shoots will come out there, and we look around, and this one's okay, it's pointing out there, but I don't want it to keep growing out that way. I don't want it to grow way out off the camera. And if you see, there's a bud here, just here, facing upwards, and I want that to turn into a branch. So all I need to do is, there you go, take that off, and that will grow into the branching upwards. That's it, going around, finding out where the forward facing buds are, where you want the branches to come out, and off it goes like so. And you're going around really, and you're finding anything that is dead, diseased, or decaying, and take it off. Do not leave it on. Gooseberry pruning is incredibly easy. It's really about shape and form. Already you can see I've got an open goblet. I can put my hand through quite easily, whereas before I couldn't. And that's what we want. Nice airflow all the way around. So you can see, there you are, that open goblet shape now. And I've gone around all the bushes, taking it off, cutting back any growth that's getting too much. I'm not too bothered about the moss, so people are going to complain. Yeah, I can peel it off, but it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really affect the gooseberry production. So I hope that's helped. Remember, dead, decaying, or diseased, get it out. Prune it out. Anything that's facing inwards, you can prune back to one bud. Anything where you want the branches, a new stem to grow out from the bush, prune to a forward facing bud. Those little things that will turn into leaves are miraculous, because they will send out another branch there. And that's what you need to do. I also advise, put your gooseberries in pots, because they're a lot easier to maintain, and also they're really great to net as well, because they're really beautiful sculptural plants. The only thing is, when they're in a border and you're trying to go through all your soft fruit, you do come a cropper with the thorns. So in a pot makes it a lot easier. So until next time, next Saturday, don't forget you can like and subscribe. Find us here every Saturday on Life and Pig Row. I'm Andrew, and until next time, bye bye.